Hi folks, I am solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. So in this video, we'll be solving 167 to sum 2 when input array is sorted. We are given a one indexed array of integers called numbers and it's already sorted in a non-decreasing order. And we have to find two numbers such that it adds up to target and we have to return the indices of these numbers. One important thing to note is it is one indexed. And it's also given that all the tests that this problem has exactly one solution and we cannot use the same element twice. This problem is the extension of very famous to sum, but here the difference is input arrays sorted. Let's look at a better example here. So the brute force approach that you may think could be we start here and then we go one by one to each of the other elements to check if it targets up to 9. If yes, we can just return the indices of it. But since we are checking each element with every other element, we have to iterate the same array twice, which would mean that the solution could be big O of n square time complexity. But we can do better than this. We can use the sorted array as an advantage. So what we can do is we can use two pointers. Let's initialize our left pointer here and our right pointer at the end. And now if you think about it, the sum 2 plus 15, this is 17, which is greater than our 9. In this case, we will move our left pointer. Again, this is again greater than 9. Then we will again move our pointer. And now we are at 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5, this is 7. This is less than 9. So now we move our left pointer. And again, 3 plus 5, it's 8, which is again less than 9. We finally move our left pointer to right. 4 plus 5, this is exactly equal to our target. And this is what we will return, the indices of left and right. And with the two pointers, we are iterating the array only once. So the time complexity here is O of n, linear time complexity. Now let's look at the code on how we can solve this. We can start by defining our left and right. And while our left smaller than right, now let's define our total. This will be equals to left plus right. And now the very first case, if our total equals to target, then we will return our left plus 1 and right plus 1 because we have one indexed array. And now let's shift our left and right. So if total is greater than our target, that means we will do right minus minus, or else we would do left plus plus. And if we don't find anything up until now, we can just return empty array. One thing I forgot was our right would be numbers.length minus 1. Yeah, this completes our solution. Now let me run this. Yep, it works. Let me submit this. It does work. I hope you found this helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.